Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I create my green seasoning recipe. Stay tuned. So here I'm just showing you a couple ingredients that I will have listed down in the description box, including the measurements. I have a little bit of olive oil, some vegetables, as well as seasoning. Now you see some thyme, green onion, cilantro, things like that. So you can use all type of things. I have a part 1 green seasoning where I just use similar things, but mainly parsley. Some people don't like cilantro. So you can jazz it up and make it the way that you like it. I'm just going to start by cutting all my vegetables up. So I am going to be using my processor. I do recommend because it's so much easier. But if you don't have that, you can also use a Ninja or a blender. Bell peppers are done. Next, green onion. Next, garlic. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and cut up some fresh onion. And I love this recipe. It's so versatile. You can actually use this in anything. You can use it in stews, of course, when you're making like poultry dishes, anything with vegetables, grilling, smoking meat, marinating meat. Bro, I suggest you use this. This is thebomb.com. I love making like Caribbean style recipes, my Spanish cuisines, all type of dishes. So I definitely will be using this in everything. I love it. It's fast and easy. If you are on a busy schedule, it's so quick just to store in your refrigerator for like a week, and you can freeze it for up to about 3 months, I'd say. It's best to use it very fresh. The longer it sits, the longer the flavor absorbs. It's so good. You all have to try it. I'm adding the rest in, some at a time. You want to add a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add all my seasonings as well to this mix. Like I said, this is perfect for anything. My seasoning is like an all-purpose mix. Of course, my onion powders, garlic powders, my Spanish all-purpose seasoning mix, and some cumin and nutmeg powder. Now, like I said, you don't have to add certain things. If you don't like it, add what you want, and you can replace things. You can also use parsley instead of cilantro. You don't have to use the green onion, but let me tell y'all, when the flavors are on point, they are on point, okay? So honey boo, you better use it, okay? If you decide to make this easy recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.